Hi, my name is Kiana, and I am a ReMar nurse. Yay! I took my exam on August the 4th, 2023, the RN exam, and I passed with ReMar. I used this workbook, and I also love the Quick Facts book. Let me tell you. So I went to an online school, which I am an LPN. I went to the LPN to RN program and was online. And they didn't really teach us because they felt like since we was already nurses that we should already know the information. That's not true, because we all are different walks of life. So these two books right here saved my life. They made things so simple for me. As you can see, I got other stuff in here because I like to keep notes on other things. When we was in school, they always told us to do 100 questions a day, and we used Kaplan. Well, Kaplan is a bunch of content. Like, I would try to, read the rationale for things, but then I get bored and then I put the book down. And then when I started taking the exams in Kaplan, it seemed like the rationales for each question was the same. It would always take me back to the same section, but wouldn't pinpoint which stuff I need to know. And then I couldn't really go back into the questions to see which questions I got wrong. So how was that helping me? Doing 100 questions a day, yay, that's perfect. But if I do not know the content, I could not answer the question. With ReMar, honey, I knew the content and I could answer the questions. I followed her calendar to a T. Even though I only had 2 weeks, I did it in 2 weeks. So I will advise anyone who's in nursing school or ready for the NCLEX, these are it. She has saved my life. Now I wish she would do one for the GRE so I can go ahead and get my master's. Thank you, ReMar. I'm a ReMar nurse.